What's up, you guys? The first day of summer is here, and today I have a spring to summer transitional capsule wardrobe. I've got our usual roundup of 12 different pieces with over 50 different outfit combinations, and we're gonna break it down today. As always, I have everything mentioned in today's capsule down below in that description box, along with additional options over on the blog in case you want to mix and match your own capsule wardrobe. Love you guys so much, and let's get into it. Starting off with our tops, the first one is probably the most versatile piece that I always try to include in most of my capsule wardrobes is a button-down blouse. I find it to be really versatile because you could wear it open like an overshirt, you can have it tied up like a crop top, or you can have it really polished and tucked into your bottoms. I've got this oversized drop shoulder cap sleeve option for the hotter weather, and then the pockets in the front give you a little something extra. Top number 2, I love me a sweater tank. It's cozy, it's stretchy, it's knit, things that I will wear in the colder spring season, but of course the silhouette is like a cute little spaghetti strap tank top. That's great for the summertime. And then those little buttons in the front add a really cute detail and also contrasting neutral accents. Number 3, we have a black blouse. This is a feminine option with some flutter sleeve action, a smocked fitted bodice, and a sweetheart neckline. Just want to toss something in there in a different neutral color, a different silhouette, and just address your option in case you want to get a little bit more fancy within the confines of this capsule. Top number 4 is actually the top half of a two-piece matching set. We've got a front tie puff sleeve crop top, which I love for capsules because they're very versatile. You can pair them together for a cohesive outfit that kind of looks like a jumpsuit. You can separate them and maximize the amount of looks. And we've got this really cute micro fruit print that is just so delicious. And moving on to bottoms, I like to do a mix of long and short hems. We have the bottom half of the two-piece matching set. It is a pair of elasticized waist pull-on linen pocketed shorts and that same print. Nothing like a casual pair of comfy shorts that you can throw on whenever the weather gets really hot. Moving on to number 6, if you want more coverage, I also love a pair of casual linen pants. Same elasticized waist, all about comfort, and the cropped wide leg shape emphasizes breathability and not having everything sticking to your skin. Number 7, we have a pair of classic jeans. Since I came back from pregnancy, I didn't realize the full-length jean is a back-end baby. We've got a full-length mom high waist style with a tapered leg. It's a nice contrast to the cropped linen pants, and you can wear them full length or cuff them up for 2 different looks. Next category is dresses. I have 2 dresses in this season's capsule. First up is a tie strap baby doll mini tiered white dress, just fresh, so appropriate for spring and summer, light, fluffy, and gives you like a really cute flared shape. She is your fun and flirty option. And then item number 9 is a sleek black dress from today's sponsor, Tommy John. If you've never heard of Tommy John, they make premium loungewear and pajamas for both men and women with a focus on high quality materials that move and adapt with your body. Here I am featuring their Second Skin razorback dress. I love that it feels exactly like pajamas, but it looks like a very sleek, versatile, minimal black dress. The fabric is actually unshrinkable, wrinkle resistant, and the feel is so silky soft and stretchy. So they got versatile pieces like this dress, but they also are known for their loungewear and pajamas. You can mix and match your pieces or wear them as cohesive sets, which is my favorite. For an adorable lightweight summer option, I have this classic short sleeve pajama shirt with matching shorts in this blush pinstripe, or for more coverage, I have their super popular long sleeve Henley top paired with their lightweight jogger pants. All their fabrics are so buttery soft, stretchy, and just feels like you're dripping in luxurious comfort. So if you're interested in trying Tommy John today, click the link down below in my description box and use my code Miss Louie to get up to 20% off plus free shipping on your next order. And then for pieces of outerwear, these are both classic items that you can use constantly every year. Number 10 is going to be a denim jacket. This was my favorite from last season. It's oversized, relaxed, and just like a nice laid back topper for any of your summer outfits, especially for those chillier summer evenings. And number 11 is like a utility jacket bomber hybrid. Love the color, the softness of the fabric, the fact that it's more cropped. I would say between the denim jacket and utility jacket, try to get one that is more oversized and one that is more tailored. That way you have 2 different styles that you can be working with in addition to different fabrics and colors. And number 12, our final capsule item, of course, is a pair of shoes. I normally do 2 pairs of shoes shoes, but I just went with one because I feel like during the spring and summer, I'm just sliding my feet into a simple pair of neutral slides. It's a great go with anything shoe that you can dress up, dress down, get them in your skin tone color so they're like elongating, and you are good to go. For accessories in this capsule, if you guys have seen my previous ones, I don't include the accessories in the final count. Just a heads up, I normally like to do 2 different types of bags. So here I've got my summer straw option with faux leather accents from last season. Love the texture. And then I have a neutral leather handbag for a dressier option with a pretty bag scarf for a touch of color and pattern. And then I have 2 belts, a skinny and a wide belt option. These are just great to add a little focal point to your outfit while also accentuating your waistline and creating shape whenever you have an outfit combination that needs a little help. Then a quick overview of the colors of this season's capsule. I always start with the ultimate foundation, black, white, neutrals, that could be like cream or tan or beige, and then of course denim. I love starting off with this first and then picking my accent colors. I went with the sage green accents, earth mama vibes. I've got that green coming in from the utility bomber jacket, and it's a similar sagey green that's incorporated in the pattern in today's capsule and that micro fruit and foliage print. So we've got the accent and pattern colors meshing well, and the soothing earthy green looks great with the black, white, denim, and cream colors. Alright you guys, that is an overview of this season's spring to summer transitional capsule wardrobe. I hope you guys dig the pieces. I'm going to show you guys now how to style these 12 pieces into these 54 different outfit combinations. I hope you guys enjoy. I love y'all, and catch me in the next season's capsule.